300.
Thank you so much. Just scrape it with a knife. Okay, there we go, I guess. Wow, carrot shavings, I know. How many hours do you cook this in for a crock pot? Honestly, in my opinion, the longer the better. But I guess it depends on how big your roast is. This roast isn't that big. So maybe like 4 hours or something like that. Something like that. We'll definitely be eating it by the end of the stream. I promise you guys that today would be like a little bit of a longer one. I'm not even like really even paying attention to time at this point because I don't really care. But whenever we get done, probably after the gingerbread houses. Jeremy the Swan, thank you.
What is the rate for posting on that sandwich board? I want to post Jeremy is looking for new content creator neighbors to terrorize.
Okay. All right. Okay, I hate this peeler. This peeler is going to be the death of me. I can see you guys probably like judging me on the other end too. Like I just feel like it's not coming off in like one big little swoop. Guys, I'm actually an imposter. I don't really know how to cook. I don't actually know what I'm doing here. I'm delusional and I just lie and you guys just believe me. And I really just watch a bunch of TikToks before coming on here. Julia, it's the angle of the blade. It just is not very sharp. That's the problem. Also. Whatever. It's not about how we get there. It's about whether we get there or not. Also, our pot roast is looking absolutely beautiful. Nice and brown. We're going to get this last spot and make sure that that one side with the fat is nice and browned as well. Okay, angle of the blade, says chat. That's gonna have to become one with the blade. Also, speaking of blades, I don't know why this reminded me of it. Have any of you guys seen the new Avatar movie yet? Because I am dying to see it. I'm just waiting for Christmas to be over because I just haven't had time. But I really want to go see it in 40X. No? Yeah, it's not about how you get there. It's about if you get there, I guess. Or maybe it's about, no, because people say it's about the journey.
And here we see a wild juliakins preparing the annual meal of the holidays. Having been busy the entire week, she finds commerce in taking a blade and whittling away carrots.
You know what would make this better? As if I went ahead and poured myself a glass of wine. I think that would make this better. I think I want to make more carrots because we can never have too many vegetables, right? Surely I won't be the only one eating vegetables in this pot roast. Maybe we'll get a little bit more carrots. Let me get a thick boy. A little thick boy carrot. Yeah, but I really want to see the new Avatar movie. I've seen like some Instagram reels about the 40X, and it looks like you're kind of in a roller coaster. Hopefully it's not like that the entire movie because that would be a little bit ridiculous. Yeah, any onions? I did not buy onions, but if there's an onion in there, I will put it in there for seasoning, and then before the food is done, I'm taking that bitch out. Before I shred up the beef, I'm taking it out and I'll put it on the side, and if Arthur and Nico want onions, they can have onions, I guess. I'll do it for the seasoning, but my God, if I take a bite of any onion, I'm going to crash out. If you guys weren't there for Arthur's stream yesterday, I told the dreaded onion story and how I went like full Karen mode on this place because they did not list that there would be onions on this burger, and they put so many onions on this fucker, and it sent me into psychosis because I was listen. I was excited to eat a burger. I was in a rush. We were trying to get to Cutie's thing. I take a big ass bite and nothing but onion. And not only that, they put it on top and they put it in the center of the patty, and it just straight tasted like onion. Ruined my day. Let me wash these carrots real quick. Thank you, Burrito, for the 5 months. I don't like onions. I like the flavor of them, but anything else just, All right, this pot roast should be good. At this point, I think it's overkill. Put that right there. And we're gonna hop this baby over here. I don't know if you guys can see, it's nice and browned on all the sides.
Da, 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 da.
I could probably get that butt a little bit more. This is a big crock pot, chat.
Merry
It looks
Christmas.
so sad.
Da, 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 da.
Oh my God, this is such a big crock pot for this tiny little thing. The Last Bruce, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. And did I miss anybody? Big Zeusy as well for the 23 months. Holy shit, have I been streaming for that long? Whatever, we're still gonna use this. We already got it out. Oh, wait, chat. Oh my God, I'm so dumb. I put it in the, oh my God, this thing is hot. Oh my God, it's hot. I put it in the wrong spot. Oopsies. Thank you so much. How do I say this? Is this Nicho Russo or is it Nico Russo? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. For the gifteds. Please let me know how to say your name before I say it wrong for the rest of my life. Okay, now we put it in here. This actually might be too hot, but it'll be nice and hot to at least get it going, I guess. I suppose. Okay, and it is currently 2:30, so I just need to remember that for whenever we decide to check on this bad boy. When it starts falling apart, to be honest, is when it's gonna be done. But we're gonna put both of these in here. Or at least until it's covered, which again, if we had a, what's the word? A smaller crock pot. Chat, I wish I could show you this. I think I should just do this on the stove pot. This is such a big crock pot. I think this is like for like a ginormous. It's too big. I'm gonna have just so much juice. Damn. I was so excited to use this. All right, we're just gonna do it in a stove. I washed this out for nothing, but hey, at least I know it's here. I'm gonna get the biggest pot I can find in this damn house. Ooh. Oopsies. All right, we're gonna use this thing. So sad. This is actually a way better size, but it's okay. That's what we're talking about. Look at her. She's a little bit smaller now that we've kind of got her going and grilled her. And then I guess I'll go ahead. This shouldn't, oh, motherfucker, that's hot. Well, this thing is very fucking efficient, I'll tell you that. Let me unplug it. My God. I'll get it. Fuck me. Favorite current song? To be honest, I've been listening to a lot of like jazzy blues and like folk country. I don't know, not folk country, but like, how would you describe it? There we go. Folk country, not like your yeehaw country, but more of like a, I guess more like a bluesy country. Chris Stapleton, if you guys know who that is, bluegrass, yeah. So I've been listening to like a lot of blues, some bluegrass, and what's the last one? What did I say? Jazz? That kind of stuff. That's what I've been liking as of recently. There we go. Try not to get all the juices on the floor.
Da, 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 da.
We're gonna go ahead and put another one of these guys in this. Rockabilly, yeah, I guess so. Took me to this long to realize, okay, thank you so much. It's this camera. All right, who was that? May Hawk Sohi. Thank you for the 2 months.